Today, let's solve the Leetcode problem number 695, max area of island. This is medium complexity problem. Let us understand the problem statement. Given a non-empty 2D array grid of zeros and ones, an island is group of ones representing land, connected four directionally, horizontal or vertical. You may assume all four edges of the grid are surrounded by the water. Find the maximum area of island in the given 2D array. If there is no island, the maximum area is 0. If you look at this example, there is one island here. The size is only 1 because there is no one connected with this one. If you look at if we search this, there is one island here. If we connect this all these ones, there are 4 ones. The size is 4. From here, if we connect this horizontal and vertically, this is also 4. This one 1 2 3 4 5, and this one 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the biggest one we need to return. If you look at this one, this is 3, this is 2, so the maximum is 6. Let's solve this in C# and also in Java. So first we are going to solve this in Java. The approach is we are going to search in this grid 1. As soon as we find 1, we search horizontally and vertically. There are any other ones, then we count that. Then as soon as we count, we mark them as 0 because we will not be counting the same as again. Let's do this here. To find the max, let's declare one variable like max area equal to 0 initially. From here, let's do the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than grid dot length I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, for column j less than grid of I dot length j plus plus. From here, let's check this. If grid of ij equal to 1, then we need to find the area, max area. Let's declare int area equal to, let's declare one method. We are going to call one method dfs find area, pass the grid and also the current positions which we are going to write. From this we will get the area. We need to find the max. To find the max, max area equal to math.max of current max area, comma, the area that we receive from the method. So finally we can return max area. Max area. Let's declare the method private int find area int of array grid int I comma int j. From here we are going to find the area. The base condition is if I greater than 0 or I greater than grid dot length greater than or equal to grid dot length, or j greater than 0 or j is greater than equal to grid of I dot length, or the current position value grid of ij equal to 0, then we can return 0. These are all base conditions. This is we are checking the um, boundary. If it goes I is when we increase the I value. If it goes beyond the boundary, then we need to return 0. Similarly for the columns as well. And also if it is if we found 0, we can return 0. Next is let's declare one variable for count int area equal to default 1. Here we are going to call the method find area recursively for all 4 directions. Uh, area plus equal to, let's find the area of current grade. Before we come here, we need to make them as the current position of value. We need to mark them as 0. Grid of ij equal to 0, so that we will not be counting the same again in this for loop. Grid I comma j plus 1 for the column. Let's copy the same thing, I comma j minus 1, reducing the column. So horizontal, the vertical um, move up and down. This is, let's increase horizontally, right side, horizontally go to the left side. Then we will have the area. Finally we will return this area. Let's run the code. 20 index minus 1 out of bounds length. Okay, I greater than 0, I greater than or equal to greater length, j greater than 0, j is greater than or equal to greater finder length, or I comma j equal to 0 looks good. But we are missing it. I greater than 0, that is correct. And greater than or equal to greater length, j greater than 0, j is greater than or equal to. Oh, it's my bad. We need to check less than when we go left side. Here also need to check less than. Let's run the code. Gives 4 is for this one. Maybe it is used the different. Yeah, it is different. Not this one is used. It is using the different example. Let's submit the code. It is success. It took 1 millisecond, faster than 100% of Java online submission for max area island. This is how we can solve this problem. Let's also solve this in C#. Let's copy this code and change the language as C# and paste here. Let's make the change. Wherever we use length, it's going to be capital letter of length is L. L caps here also. Here method max is M capital. Fine, let's see here also, here as well, and that's it. I think let's run the code again. It is accepted. Let's submit. It is success. It took 112 millisecond, faster than 37.70 of C# online submissions. And the next video we will solve the different Leetcode forum problem. Thanks for watching.